Welcome back to Dadskillz. Today we're going to take a look at the DJI OSMO 4 SE. So we'll start with the unboxing. Really nice box, loads of info on the outside there. We've got even more guides on the inside. Quick start guides. Create magnetic moments. So inside there we've got the usual bump. Loads of info. We've got a handy little carry bag, stop it getting damaged. And we've also got a nice little wrist strap. So we've got the tripod, and we'll see later you can stick that somewhere, stick up on the ground, and then you can be followed by your camera. Charging cable. Now this is cool. This is the magnetic mount for your phone to go in, and it's also got a little riser pad there for the phones listed. And what makes this fantastic is you can now take your phone off, because you're always going to want to use your phone at the odd time. You can just take your phone off, check your messages, and then as we'll see now, you just clip your phone back on. Really strong magnet. It's a bit of a shock how strong that magnet is, really. Right, let's take a look at the app. So get your QR code, find the app, agree, sign your life away. You're going to have to make an account. So many things to say yes to. So we're connecting to our device. And here we've got to make the account, log in. Blah, 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 all the usual. And then you get asked if you want to sign up for certain care plans. And then it just gives you a few useful tips then. Not to have your phone in the cradle wonky, what things do. So, turn it on. Press and hold down the mode button, that turns it on. Then we've got our joystick. One click of the mode button, and we're into a menu. 2 clicks, and we can go from portrait into landscape. Right, let's take it out and about, shall we? So we'll have a little look at stabilization first, I think. So, this is what I would normally use. This is my little Manfrotto desk tripod type thing. Little vlogging tripod. And the stabilization on the iPhone is pretty good anyway. So this is the footage with the gimbal on the right hand side there. You can see how much more stable it is. Couple of clicks on the mode button, and we're back into landscape mode. And now on the side, the trigger function is the zoom. We'll see how far in we can go. That's a really useful function. So as you can see on screen now, you can make stories, which are really good, and they're sort of ready-made stories, ready edited, that you can put on your social media account. Loads of different ideas there, and I just made one where I was, not very exciting, and then it comes up, this is your story. And there he is, in all his gimbal smoothness. Right, let's turn it around back to the front, shall we? So we've got it on follow mode, so it should follow my face, or track my face, should I say. But I've not got it locked in, so let's spin around here. You see it's lagging a little bit. So now I'm going to press the trigger. And hopefully, yeah, I tried. But I'm turning around quite quickly. Just keep trying to get me in the middle. Yeah, so it is. Yeah, cool. Okay. Can even do some sort of funky spin shot. So I'll just put it on the ground now on this little tripod, and it's in the face follow mode, so it's following me around. Seems to work pretty well. So that was just a quick look at some of the features on the DJI OSMO 4 SE gimbal. There's loads of stuff yet to learn though. So this is going to be a great addition, I think, to the video making arsenal. There's a video on screen now, which I'm sure you'll enjoy as well. I might catch you again. Cheers.